Hey everybody, it's Daron Moore. I just got a call from a cost estimator who asked, is there a way to create a connection between a PDF in Bluebeam Revu and an Excel spreadsheet that keeps track of running quantities? And the answer is yes. The command is called quantity link. Now all you need to do is have the PDF you want to link to open in Bluebeam Revu and the Excel spreadsheet you want to link to. Now I'm going to do a single left click in the cell where I want to create the link, and be careful to select only one cell. If you select more than one cell, when you right click your mouse, you will not see the quantity link option. So now where I see quantity link, I'll go ahead and click create, and I need to add a PDF. I'll go ahead and click add, locate E2.2, E2.02 electrical plan, click open, and there's my file. I'll click OK. And now all I have to do is choose to what kind of measurement I want to track here. So I'll open up the drop down where it says measurement, and I'll click count, and then I'll when I choose count, then the cell name is auto populated by the quantity link command. Then I'll go ahead and choose the subject of duplex receptacles, and that should do it. I'll go ahead and click OK. And there we have it. The little shading is there by default. Now this is a live connection. If I were to go to Bluebeam Revu and right click and remove or delete data link from the group and go back to my Excel spreadsheet, it's down to 69. Or if I go back into a Bluebeam Revu, do a right click over that count object and say resume count, I'll add a few more. Let's me pan a little bit. I'll just add a few more duplex receptacles. When I'm done, I'll hit escape. And getting back into Excel, you'll see that quantity link is tracking. Now all I need to do is put a cost per unit to get a total cost and so forth. But the real hard work is the linking between the two spreadsheet, or the Excel spreadsheet and your Bluebeam Revu, your PDF. Now all it is a right click, quantity link, and create. And there you have it. All we had to do was just Bluebeam it, linking between a PDF in Bluebeam Revu and an Excel spreadsheet for quantity link. I'm Daron Moore. Thanks for watching.